Hey guys, okay, so today I am filming my journal kit under challenging circumstances, so bear with me if you hear screaming children in the background. Yes, they are my kids. They're playing Roblox and sitting next to each other but screaming at each other because it's that much fun. Okay, so today I'm actually going to be listing my junk journaling kit. Actually, it is already listed. I just thought I'd also get a video and put it up so people can actually see, like in person, the products instead of just the pictures. So first off, we've got the journal that I've actually made to go with the kit, and I've actually called it the Golden Rose kit, which is for January, February. And these are my journals that I've made, and there's one that comes with each kit. Got embossing pages, atlas, pockets, paper, special papers, scrapbooking papers, vintage papers, coffee dyed papers, doily, and so forth. The spine is reinforced with fabric as well, and it is a softish cover, but it's hardened with reinforced cardboard inside. So you get that. It'll also come with book corners as well. I just haven't done that as yet. Okay, so you get a set of papers to go with it, some brights, some vintage florally papers. You'll get other papers as well. So you'll get a set of like 4 large papers as well, and you'll get 5 smaller papers, florally papers. You'll get other bits and pieces as well. Let me just so you'll get 4 napkins for decoupaging. You'll get ruffles. I've actually homemade these ruffles, and it's an old sheet that's been washed and cleaned, of course, and I've just sewn that up, and you get about a meter of that as well. It feels so soft. I love ruffles. Okay, you get a stamp set as well, which is the American Craft Woodland Grove. So that kind of matches the rose theme, where you got flowers and things like that. You get a set of lace. You get pink, beige, and you get the white crocheted lace there as well. You get approximately 2 meters of these two, and about a meter of this one, maybe more, I think, that one. You get 5 tags, 5 manila tags. You can decorate these as well. We get a bunch of like stamp stickers with images of Alice in Wonderland, Peter Rabbit, and some other bits and pieces. These are matte and they're stickers. You get some labels, so 2 labels. You get 8 sheet of these. There's white, craft, vellum, and a textured paper. I think you get 2 sheets of each of those, I think. You get butterfly stickers as well. You get some like checks, cafe checks, table checks. Not really sure what you'd call these, but you get those. And you get scrapbooking papers as well to go. These are double-sided, so both sides there. And you get some doily samples. So you get pink, white, and the beige. And you get 2 embossed envelopes, like mini envelopes. You get 4 sheets of sticker labels as well. They're mini labels. You get some decoupaging papers as well. So they're themed. There's a floral theme and vintage invoice themes. So you get those together to help those two. You get 2 washi tapes. Now with the washi tapes, they will be different. I've done 5 or 6 of the kits to do. I've done 5 or 6 of the kits, and you'll get the same size washi tapes in each kit, but they will vary different with their patterns there, because yeah, obviously I don't have 6 of the same washi tapes, but they are new. You'll get some miniature PET retro ladies. These are stickers, so that's pretty cool. And you get this webbed paper ribbon, although it's not that fragile. It's actually quite a strong ribbon. You can't actually rip it easily. But yeah, so, and all the products I've tried to actually coordinate these together. As in the same color as the journal cover. So like for instance, this goes with that, the same color there. You get this little pencil case. I don't know where I got these from, but I got a whole stack of them and they've just been sitting in my boxes of stuff. So I thought I'm just going to pop one in, because you could always put all these bits and pieces in there if you wanted to. You can use something else. But yeah, it's a cute little bunny on there. And last is just a collection of items from my own items. So I've got, okay, just asking my kids to be a bit quiet. I think they might have been louder than me just then. So I've got some playing cards with some pretty images, so you can use those however you want to. I've got a embroidered image from a book that I got, some pianola paper, I hope I've said that right, some vintage book sheets, a pretty envelope, journaling type card with a map and a card, coffee dyed bit of paper, a music paper, more vintage books sheets, a music sheet, and that's it, and it all come nicely packed. I hope you've enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.